Welcome back to Grommania and to the Gromage, or the Grom Garage. We're doing another mod on the Grom today. Basically, I'm just finishing up this mirror install and doing it on the left side. I broke this mirror when I was putting it together. I just over tightened it. So basically it's the same on both sides, but the throttle side had a little more work to it, which I'll explain while I'm doing on the left side, because I'm just going to do the exact same thing and all you guys know. So I got these mirrors off Amazon. If anybody's out there likes them, let me know. I'll drop the link. Basically I just googled Grom mirrors on Amazon. I like how they kind of look. They got, you know, I think they got some style to them. They're not as effective as, I say, the stock mirror, but you know, no one likes a stock mirror, and you know, this is kind of sexy. And basically all you're going to need is a Phillips to get that off, and then, you know, I forgot what size Allen key for that. Let me just double check. I use a 532 to tighten that, and then you're going to need a smaller one to tighten that, which I had to flip that little bushing on the inside on this new set. It was just set the wrong way, so I just unscrewed that bolt, and then I just flipped this middle ring little bushing thing, and you can see you just use a Phillips to get it off. But from the factory, that's going to be really tight. I know Blockhead, he does a video. He does a great instruction video on a set of bar end mirrors, and I know he used a cloth and vice grips to get that off, and I did the similar thing. I don't think I got any damage on those old caps. And you just get a Phillips after, once you get it loose enough, and just unscrew it. But after a while, you can just loosen it by hand. So as you can see right here, I already loosened it up, and so you can see I'm just gonna unscrew this. So basically that's pretty easy, and basically it doesn't matter if you want to take this, is easy to take off as well, and I already loosened it. But for people who don't know, you're going to loosen this top bolt. That's what basically holds the mirror into this, and then once you get the top bolt loosened off, you can loosen this bottom bolt, and you can take the whole assembly out. So I already had it ready just to save some time, but that's what you're going to do on both sides if you need to. And like I said, you're just going to loosen that with the Phillips. And so I'm just going to put my mirror over here. You can see I have the other one for this mirror, and then the other one, I don't know where it is because I already did the set. So I'm going to get myself a set of 5/16 washers, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my mirror. I got my mirror from in here. As you can see, I already flipped it to save some time. The first set came with them correctly, but the new one didn't for some reason. And so, and then, oh, I also forgot, I'm going to take this top washer, which I did on throttle side, because if you tighten it too much, for example on the throttle one, this one I had on too tight, I wasn't ready, but if you do it too tight on throttle side, your mirror is going to twist with it. So that's why I just use whatever they gave me. It's kind of big, but I'm not a big fan of it. Blockhead, like I mentioned before, he had a smaller washer that he was able to put on there, but you know, I wasn't as prepared, but I have a lot of 5/16, so I was able to put a 5/16 out on this side, then this spacer, and then another washer out on this mirror, and then the Phillips fits in really nice. So basically that's what I'm going to do right here. Let me just grab the camera off. Alright, and then basically I'm just getting a stock bolt, putting a washer through. Well, no, I'm going to put the stock bolt all the way through because it's caved in. One washer, then my spacer, and I did it facing in this way on the other side, and then I'm going to put another washer in right there to fill kind of that gap. And I'm just going to go ahead and screw that in, and I already have this pre-adjusted. I had them lined up together. And then, I know I don't have my Phillips on me. I'm just going to put it tight. I can get this without that. Hold on. Also, I'm going to try and hold the camera. So basically I'm just going to tighten it right now, get it adjusted. Basically I'm going to adjust it like that, and like this, something like this, and there we go. Man, that looks good. Man, that looks good. Oh wow, see? Just gotta do a slight adjustment. Wow, that looks fantastic. Oh my god, I love that. That is so aggressive. Clean and legal, and I can use it. See people behind me. Wow. I'm just gonna put the adjustment, but man, that looks great. Alright, well that's pretty much how you put a set of bar ends on, and let me know what you guys think, and drop a comment if you guys want the link to these specific sets. And this was cheap, it was only like 40 bucks. So you guys let me know what you think, and that's how you install bar end mirrors on the 2017 Grom. Thank you and have a good day.